Namaste everyone. Welcome to fourth lecture of Introduction to Trigonometry. Now in this lecture we are going to see the remaining problems of exercise 8.2. Let us first revise trigonometric values what we have learned in the previous class. First let us see sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree 1. Now cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, cos 90 is 0. So for sine we are moving from 0 to 1, for cos we are moving from 1 to 0. Here you can also note that the value of sine is between 0 and 1. Similarly value of cos is also between 0 and 1. For tan 0 we have 0, tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is root 3 and tan 90 degree is not defined. Cosec, it is reciprocal of sine, so cosec 0 is not defined, cosec 30 is 2, cosec 45 is root 2, cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3 and cosec 90 is 1. Sec 0 is 1, sec 30 is 2 upon root 3, sec 45 is root 2, sec 60 is 2 and sec 90 is not defined. For cot 0 is not defined, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 upon root 3 and cot 90 is 0. So these are the different values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now let us move to the next problem. Third problem. Already till problem 2 we have seen. Now third problem is cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. So if you remember, the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. The value of sec 30, so for sec 30 I remember only for cos 30, so value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so sec 30 will become 2 upon root 3. And similarly for cosec I remember for sine 30 is 1 upon 2, so cosec 30 will become 2. So first I will put the values, respective values, then I simplify. So here I find that denominator is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Now whenever your denominator is in root, right, then in that case you have to remove that root sign by rationalizing it. So for rationalization what I will do, I will multiply this whole term by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So multiply and divide by these terms. My denominator will become in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So as we know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, this from the denominator I can remove the root easily. So after simplification what I got answer as 3 root 2 minus root 6 whole divided by 8. Now let us see the next question. Again sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 30 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So you are going to put respective values of all these trigonometric ratios and find the answer. Finally what you get? You should get 43 minus 23 root 3 upon 11 as your answer. Now second question is choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. So first I will calculate this term and see what answer I am getting. So 2 tan 30, value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So I will replace, in denominator I have tan square 30, so value of tan square 30 is 1 upon 3. Now I will simplify it. After simplification I got answer as root 3 by 2. Now sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so correct answer is A. So I will say that option A is correct. So once I get one correct option, there is no need to check others. If you want you can check other values also. Now second question is 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. So again I will put the respective values. So tan 45 is 1, So my numerator will become 1 minus 1, which is 0. 0 upon 2 is 0. Now tan 90, 1, sin 45 and 0. So finally 0 is there. So I will say that option D is correct. Third question is sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a. Is it true when a is equals to? So here what I will do, I will put one by one 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and see whether left hand side and right hand side are equal. So when I use 0 degree, sin 2 into 0 is sin 0. The value of sin 0 is 0, and here 2 into sin 0, again 2 into 0 is 0. So option A, which is 0 degree, is correct answer. Fourth question, 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. So again you will first put respective values and then you compare or you find values of this cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30 degree. Whatever value match with the value of 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 will give you the correct option. So if you solve, you will get option C as correct option. Now third question is, if a tan a plus b is root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 upon root 3, value of a plus b is between 0 and 90 degree, a is greater than b, I have to find the value of a and b. Now here tan a plus b is root 3. I know that tan 60 degree is root 3, so the value of a plus b will become 60. Similarly, tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So the value of a minus b will become 30. So I have a plus b 60 degree and a minus b 30 degree. So these are two equations. I will solve these two equations. By solving, I will get value of a as 45 degree and value of b as 15 degree. Fourth question, state whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. First question is sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus sin b. Now I have to justify whether this statement is right or wrong. So for that, what I will do, I will take two different values for a and b and check whether both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, give me same value or different value. So let us take a as 60 degree and b as 30 degree. Now sin 60 plus 30 is sin 90, which is 1. Here sin 30 plus sin 60 or sin 60 plus sin 30. So value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So this answer is not equal to 1. So I will say that LHS and RHS, they are not equal, and hence the statement is false. Second, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. So already we have seen in the table that as we increase from 0 to 90 degree, the value of sin theta also increases from 0 to 1. So this statement I will say is correct. Third question, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So this statement is false. We have seen that from 0 degree to 90 degree, the value of cos theta changes from 1 to 0. So the value of cos theta is decreasing from 1 to 0. So this statement is false. Now sin theta is equals to cos theta for all values of theta. Again, this statement is not correct. We have seen that sin 30 is 1 by 2, whereas cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the answers are not same. So this statement is false. Cot A is not defined for A is equals to 0 degree. Now cot 0 degree. So tan 0 is sin 0 upon cos 0, that is 0. So cot 0 will be not defined. So this statement is true. So by this we have finished all the problems of this exercise. So in this exercise, what you understand that you must remember all the values of trigonometric ratios for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And they are very, very simple. For sin 30 degree, for sin, if you see, your table values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So simple. In increasing order from 0 to 1, for cos you reverse it. So from 1 you will say that 1, then decrease it, so root 3 by 2, then decrease it, so 1 upon root 2, then decrease it, 1 upon 2 and then 0. For tan you will take sin upon cos, so value will be 0, then 1 upon root 3, then 1, then root 3 and then not defined. So these three values I recommend that you learn. Once you know all these three values, then other three ratios are reciprocal of sin, cos and tan. So for sine reciprocal is cosec, for cos reciprocal is sec, and for tan reciprocal is cot. So you can find the values of cosec theta, you will find the value of sec theta and value of cot theta very easily. So I stop my lecture here. Thank you.